Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get gold in Marvel Contest of Champions. Gold is a crucial resource for upgrading your champions and progressing in the game. We'll cover several effective strategies to ensure you always have enough. By focusing on specific activities, you can maximize your gold earnings and strengthen your roster. Let's dive into the best methods for accumulating this valuable currency. Story quests are a fantastic primary source of gold. As you advance through the acts and chapters, you'll receive significant gold payouts. Don't forget to revisit completed quests on harder difficulties, like Heroic or Master, as they offer even greater rewards. Additionally, daily and weekly quests provide a steady stream of gold, often giving tens of thousands for completion, which is essential for daily progression. The arena is another excellent way to accumulate gold. By reaching various milestone rewards, you can earn hundreds of thousands of gold each week. Furthermore, special in-game events frequently offer substantial gold as completion rewards. Keep an eye out for these limited-time opportunities. You can also convert unneeded items, like lower-tier catalysts, into thousands of gold, providing a quick boost when needed. Being part of an active alliance is incredibly beneficial for gold farming. Alliance quests provide millions of gold over time, depending on your alliance's performance. Alliance wars also offer significant gold rewards for participation and victories. Remember to manage your gold wisely, prioritizing champion upgrades and essential purchases. By combining these strategies, you'll maintain a healthy gold balance for all your needs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.